When people think about SSDI claims, they often focus on medical diagnoses, test results, or hospital records. But at the hearing level, one of the most important questions is often this: how do your medical conditions actually limit your ability to work? That is where RFC assessments can become extremely important. RFC stands for Residual Functional Capacity. An RFC assessment is a medical opinion that describes what a person can still do physically or mentally despite their impairments. Judges often look closely at these assessments because they can provide a clearer picture of how symptoms affect daily functioning and the ability to maintain full-time employment. For physical conditions, an RFC assessment may discuss limitations involving sitting, standing, walking, lifting, carrying, bending, reaching, or using the hands. It may also address issues like chronic pain, fatigue, balance problems, or the need for unscheduled breaks during the workday. For mental health conditions, an RFC assessment may describe difficulties with concentration, memory, following instructions, interacting with coworkers, adapting to changes, maintaining attendance, or staying on task consistently throughout the workday. At SSDI hearings, vocational experts are often asked hypothetical questions based on different functional limitations. In some cases, the limitations contained in an RFC assessment can significantly affect whether the vocational expert believes there are jobs a person can still perform. It is also important that RFC assessments are supported by medical evidence and consistent treatment records. A detailed and well-supported opinion from a treating provider may carry far more weight than a brief statement simply saying someone is disabled. Another important point is that the SSA does not automatically request detailed RFC forms from every treating doctor. In many cases, claimants and their representatives must proactively gather this evidence and make sure it is submitted before the hearing. At Disability Advocates Group, we help clients prepare for SSDI hearings by reviewing medical evidence, identifying functional limitations that may need further documentation, and helping organize records to present a clearer picture of how a disability impacts the ability to work. If you are unable to work because of a medical condition, call Disability Advocates Group at 800-788-2995 or use the free SSDI screener at ssdianswers.com to see if you may qualify for SSDI benefits. This video provides general information about SSDI. It does not constitute legal advice.